Hi, everybody. I apologize for being so late to the game here. I'm not even going to lie, I've tried to record this video in probably 6 different formats, none of which seem to want to upload to YouTube. So I resulted to using Screencast-O-Matic's webcam only option. So hopefully it works this time. My name is Cheryl, and I am taking this finance course so that I can work to get my principalship endorsement. I have 2 masters currently, one in educational leadership and one in library science. Um, and I am currently working as a assistant to the principal, and that's at 2 different elementary schools. And in our district, what that means is that I basically do the work of an administrator, but I do not get paid as one. I'm still under the certified teaching contract. So really working, want to get this class done so that I can take my test to hopefully become an actual assistant principal and then eventually a principal in upcoming years. So um, tried to take this course once before, and unfortunately, due to some family situations, wasn't able to complete it. So really wanting to buckle down and get all of these modules completed. Strengths and weaknesses with school finance. I've been really fortunate. I've worked under 2 amazing principals that have shared a lot of information with me about finance at school, kind of the rules, different accounts, what you can and can't do. I feel pretty secure in knowing like when we get money in, where it needs to go, and what accounts we can take money out of. I think probably still a weakness for me is the budget. Both schools that I work at are Title I schools, so I need to learn a lot more about that. I know that we get that money based on number of students, our enrollment numbers, and then free and reduced lunch, but I don't really know much beyond that, so I'm hoping to find out just a little bit more. Looking forward to working together with all of you, hoping that we can be a support system with one another. I know as we get into some of the assignments, they get a little bit more detailed and in depth. So it'd be nice to have a group to be able to go to help with questions that I might have. So anyhow, I'm sure that we will be talking and interacting soon.